I am going to read English newspaper. Jams jams take the joy out of festival season. Traffic snarls expected to rise as celebrations move into high gear. That the festive season has begun in the city can now be gouged by the traffic snarls being reported from various bottleneck zones. Commuters are now facing snarls due to heavy traffic that congests routes along venues which host Navratri pandals. The situation is expected to escalate as the festivities move into high gear across the capital. The real-time traffic data shared by TomTom showed a travel time of over 26 minutes to cover 10 kilometers at 6.618 p.m. on Saturday. Traffic jams were reported from 810 sports. October is the roast month for road users as major sales are on in the markets for the festival season and many Navratri and Durga Puja pandals also come up. The latest update on Saturday said from SSN Marg to Mehroli to Wazirabad Road and Rohtak Road to Ma and Anandamai Marg from Kron Plaza towards Kalkaji Mandir. Traffic was either jammed or moved at a very slow pace during peak hours. The reason behind the traffic jams are broken roads, constructions works, heavy volume of traffic, and waterlogging. All major stretches, including Britannia Chowk, Azadpur Mandi, झंडेवालन टेम्पल, हनुमान मंदिर, नेताजी सुभाष मार्ग, मेहरौली बदरपुर रोड, विकास मार्ग, दिल्ली गुरुग्राम रोड, witnessed huge traffic throughout the day due to heavy vehicular flow. Delhi Traffic Police issued alerts and advised commuters to plan carefully while using such stretches. Commuters faced snarls as traffic was affected in front of 14 Asoka Road in the carriageway from C Haction towards Windsor Place due to a damaged road. The road has been broken for the past few days and is one of the most prominent roads in the New Delhi area. Commuters faced a tough time as traffic was badly affected on Wazirabad Road on the foot of Khajuri flyover in the carriageway from Khajuri Chowk towards Bhajanpura due to over turning of an HTV and LGV. According to traffic police, a massive jam was reported during the peak hours on GTK Road in the carriageway from Mukarba Chowk towards Azadpur due to overflow of drain water. In another post, the traffic police said the traffic will be affected on SSN Marg in the carriageway from Satabri towards Mehroli due to drain work being carried out by the civic agency. Commuters are advised to plan their journey accordingly. It said heavy traffic was also reported from around Khalsa College due to construction work being carried out by DMRC. GTK Road from Sakti Nagar Chowk towards Ghatnagar will remain closed and traffic coming from Azadpur will be compulsorily diverted left towards Khalsa College. Commuters are advised to plan their journey accordingly, it said. Traffic was affected on Rohtak Road in the carriageway from Nagaloi towards Tikri border and vice versa due to potholes and water logging. Heavy traffic was reported on Ma Anandamay Marg in the carriageway from Crown Plaza towards Kalkaji Temple due to breakdown of a trala containing iron rods near Nathu Sweets and Light. Commuters are advised to plan their journey accordingly, the traffic police advisory said. Thank you guys for watching this.